Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can add bank account to Cash App without your debit card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Once you open up Cash App, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then tap on the icon that is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on the icon, next page you can see that right at the bottom there is a plus icon, and just next to it there is an option as link bank. So then you'll have to tap on it. The next page you'll be directed to add a bank using debit card. In case if you don't have a debit card, or in case if you don't want to use a debit card, then all you can do is you can tap on no card in the bottom left corner of your screen. The next page there is a statement, so make sure to go through it all, and once you're done, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. On the other page you'll have to select the account that you want to link. So you can see there are a list of options, so then select it accordingly. After you're done selecting the account that you want to link to your Cash App, now what you have to do is you'll have to enter the login credential. So that includes email and your password, and once you're done entering, tap on submit. In case if the provided information is correct, next page you'll have to enter the verification code. So then the verification code will be sent to your email or your SMS, and once you're done entering your verification code, tap on answer. Once you do that, next page you'll be notified that you've successfully linked your bank account to your Cash App. That is how you can add bank account to Cash App without your debit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.